Hello and welcome to this quick video. This is to pull the name out of the hat for some lucky winner who's going to get their choice of a couple of filaments from Filamentive for their BAMBU printer. Now this is the video that came out about a week ago, about 1.4k views. It's a slightly specialized video, and I was talking about the fact that these guys were doing this kind of filament for these BAMBU style printers, and at the end there was an opportunity. Terrible place to stop myself there, look like I'm singing. Like, comment, subscribe, and you had to include the word Filamentive in your answer. Now loads of you did that, so thank you very much to everyone that did. Unfortunately, it's only open to people here in the UK, so I'm going to pull the name out the hat, so hopefully the winner is in the UK, otherwise I'll have to redraw. So let's see who won it. So I will copy the URL and put it into the random comment picker. We will add a keyword filter. That keyword is going to be Filamentive. I'm not going to allow duplicates or replies. We'll continue. Only 15 comments, so there's a 1 in 15 chance of winning this. So the winner of the Filamentive BAMBU filament is RC Underground 666. So RC Underground 666, congratulations. Pop me an email at lee@painless360.com. There is a little process we'll go through to confirm your identity, and do confirm to me that you are in the UK, and then I can put you in touch with Filamentive to get your BAMBU filament so you can try it on your printer. Commiserations to everybody else. Do stay tuned. There are these giveaways. Don't forget, not all of them are as obvious as I made this one, where it actually says in the name. A lot of them are hidden away at the end of the videos to reward those people who watch all the way through. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.